Welcome back to Southwest Louisiana Saltwater. Today, I'm back out on the beach doing something I personally have never really done before, and that is just walk the beach and throw lures. It's shaping up to be a pretty nice day today. We're just gonna start with some top water and see if we can't get some fish to take home today. What in the hell? My whole rod just snapped for no reason. This is a brand new rod I've only used a couple of times. Oh, well, that just gonna ruin today's fishing trip. I am highly upset with that. My rod just snapped on the cast. It's a Penn Battle 3 rod. I've never had any problems with any of my Penn gear, and it's mostly what I use is only Penn, and I've never had a problem like that. That's highly disappointing. That is upsetting, very upsetting. This could ruin the whole day right here. I've only used this rod, I haven't even caught a fish on this rod yet. And I've only used it about 3 different trips. I'm gonna have to look into getting that fixed. That's unacceptable. There's no tangle, it casted fine, it just snapped on the cast. Well, we do have another rod. Let's hope it doesn't repeat what just happened. But this rod's a little lighter than that one, so I don't want to throw top water on it. I'm going ahead and I'm switching up what I'm planning to use for the day. Since that rod broke, I was going to start with top water, but I'm switching up to a a Trout Magic jig head with the underspin, and a 4-inch Berkeley gulp. Look, there's a little bitty shark right there. I don't know if y'all saw him, but it was looked like a little black tip just cruising right there. Only about a foot long though. Ain't really enough to cause me any harm. But even in this ankle deep water, you gotta keep an eye out. Because you got sharks, and then around, for the past couple of weeks, a pretty big size alligator has been spotted on the beach. Which kind of don't make sense, but it does, because if just right behind, across the road over there, is just all marsh. Got him. What is it? It's a little black tip. That's an interesting little catch. I've seen redfish, but I catch the black tip. That makes about, that pretty much makes sense. Come on, I need you to calm down. There you go. The perfect hook set, so he didn't cut me off. There he goes. Hey, can you tell the redfish and trout and maybe a flounder that I want them? Yeah, nice little black tip, about 1.5 feet. All right, off you go. Well, we got a fish today. Might not have been anything to take home, but it was a fish. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, he spit it. No. No, I know what happened. He didn't spit it. He cut me. It was another shark. Yeah, probably another little black tip. Alright, so I switched it up. Instead of the Trout Magic underspin, I went with the Redfish Magic spinner. Mainly because I was out of that color Trout Magic jig head, and see if this little spinner can't maybe keep the sharks away from the line. I got a fish. What we got? Looks like another little black tip. Yep. And I seen a redfish, so I know they're here. It seems like all I'm gonna catch today is some black tip. This guy's even smaller than the first one. By a lot. Oh, I need you to calm down. There you go. Well, that's another little black tip for the day. They're cool little sharks. Get out of here. But I'm still looking for something to take home today. What I got? I got some. Another little shark. Man, the little black tips just won't leave me alone today, will they? All right, well, another little black tip. They're fun to catch, just not what I'm after. Alright, well, I'm back at the truck. Go ahead and call it for the day. We didn't get nothing else after that last shark. And I just had a long walk back to the truck, so I'm out of breath. But yeah, I enjoyed this, and it's probably gonna be something I'm gonna do again. Hopefully next time I have better luck though. So let's see, to recap, what we caught today, it was just, I think 3 or 4 little baby black tips, like 1 to 1.5 foot short little black tips, which those were fun to catch. I was hoping for some reds or some speckled trout today though, but I still enjoyed my time. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.